Okay, class, good evening, and let's start. Today we will be taking up a discussion, a GD. So it's a little controversial topic, that is Radhika and Anand Ambani wedding. All right. So there's a group of people who say that this is a circus. They are showing off and spending a lot of money. Where India is a poor country, they should think about it. Dot dot dot. This is one mindset. There's another group of people who are blessing the couple and they're saying that it's okay, it's their personal choice. I mean, it's fine if they are doing it in this way. So let's take up your views. So let's start. I'm going to take up Mr. Modak, your view first.
Good evening, all. As we know that Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani's wedding is going on since last 6 months, and we all are witnessing it over social media, over news channels, over newspapers. Obviously, some people will think that this is going good, going in a right way, but some people has their opinion that something they are not doing in a right way. My point is, as per my opinion, yeah, obviously I also think that this is not going in a right way. Why? Because see, the money they are investing in this wedding, or the things they are doing from last 6 months, so they could have done it better. Because uh, many are thinking that they are doing it for their spiritual belief, or for getting the blessings. So there are other ways also to get the blessings. See, India is a very means not a developed country, it's a developing country, and there are a lot of poor people are there who don't afford their clothes, who don't afford their one time meal, who don't afford their education. Even they died due to lack of medical facilities, or they don't afford it. So, if they, as I have seen in the news, that almost 5,000 crores they have invested in this wedding. So, if they could have utilized this money in doing this social, in removing this, or in helping these social issues, or social these poor people, so that could have been better. Because see, in India we are seeing that during COVID time there are a lot of issues for good medical facilities. There is a lot of issue of foodings or the travelings. There is a lot of issue of jobs. People has lost their jobs, have lost their jobs, and also many people are dying just because of loss of job and lack of money. So they could have done it in this way, so that they could get more blessings from these peoples, and that everyone could be happy for this marriage. So that's it.
Okay, so this was Mr. Modak's view. I hope you have understood. Sana, so do you agree with him?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, give some new points supporting the topic.
Ma'am, I have same view what he have. They waste money. They waste a lots of money.
They are
They
wasting.
are wasted.
नहीं,
Lots of.
they are wasting. वो कर रहे हैं. Amizar plus ing.
They are wasting a lots of money in doing this thing. They used to this money to help the poor people.
Okay, you are saying the same
Yes,
points,
yes,
right?
yes.
So same, I'm not listening. You see, if you are supporting what he's saying, there can be other points also. It's not that you are giving the same points that they can use it for charity and all that. There can be some other points. For example, you can say that like these days wedding is so expensive and it's a lot of pressure on parents, on middle class parents and poor parents also, to match up with that level of expenditure in so called weddings. So nowadays there's, you see, pre-wedding shoot and elaborate banquet halls you need to book, and lavish decorations inviting so many people. Sometimes parents are unable to afford it, or the bride and groom, they also can't, so they go and take loans and they borrow money, they sell their houses, they keep the house on mortgage, what not. So many items for starters and so many items for dessert, and I think it's not necessary. If whatever you can afford, you do that much. You don't have to prove a point to the society. You are wedding, you are getting into a good relationship, a new relationship. It's a new beginning of your life, or new change, you can say. So I think, I mean, it's a very personal thing. So you don't have to prove a point to anybody. This is a new point. So new is okay, don't repeat. Why I'm saying, in a GD you cannot repeat points. If you repeat points for MBA also, there will be GD round for you, okay? And there, if you repeat points, you're not getting selected. Understood? And एक और चीज है, काफी लोगों को ये लगता है कि इन्होंने सब बोल दिया. She shared all the points already, or he has already mentioned everything. That is impossible. कोनो टॉपिक ही शॉप पॉइंट्स कोनो दिनो एंड होए ना. Points are endless for any topic. Okay, let's see what Manashi wants to say.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Manashi. So, first of all, I have not that much time to stock there all the
Events, functions, rituals.
So I don't. Who troll them? I think they have lots of time for trolling and all that. And as a typical middle class parents who spend that much money in my son's wedding, and they are the richest people in this country, so why they don't do that? First of all. Secondly, the money is rolling. That much money, it's their ghagra and all the, it's jara, the workers, they have the money. Yeah. So it's not wasting. First of all. Secondly,
Many are earning also.
Yeah,
They are paying to so many people. Nothing is
earning
free.
from these
Yeah, they're
events.
actually earning.
Events. And
Sure.
I want to say, Mr. Modak, ask, are you married? No. No. When you got married, if your expenditure in this marriage ceremony, if you আপনি চ্যারিটি করবেন না বিয়ের অনুষ্ঠানটা করবেন?
Okay. Would you like to
spend money in your marriage ceremony, or you charity the money? And why Shana use the iPhone? Why she not charity the poor people, underprivileged people? Yeah.
No, whatever.
If you-
See, ma'am, whatever I will do, I won't telecast it like I'm doing in for the blessings. I'm doing in for the sake of some purpose or anything.
have
Whatever I
that
will
much
do,
money.
I will do it for myself. Okay. And the second thing is, as you are telling, just I'm interrupting you,
Yeah.
that the workers are getting benefited, right?
Yes. The money is rolling.
They have given the orders to not the poor workers or poor companies. They have given the orders. They have to
Sabbasachi
the
or
multi-million.
any
No,
other
see,
people.
I'm telling you.
In their workers, they are not rich. The
Ma'am.
big house,
The
fashion
workers
house.
are not getting the direct money. They are getting their salary as usual.
It's system. You can't
Then
out
you
of the
can't say
system.
that workers are getting benefited. Workers
Yeah,
will get work.
Of course.
Whether Ambani's wedding is going for 6 months or it is running for 6 days. So worker will get
they
their
have
work.
that much money.
And see the ornaments or whatever. So Radhika Merchant's father is also a businessman. So who knows that who are the means from where they are getting these ornaments and the ghagras and others. I am telling you, I was there. I know the Gujarati people. They will deal with the Gujarati peoples only, not with the others. It is their family business actually. And see, if they want to means benefit the society, to benefit the country, they could have invest this money in a company. They could have invested in this money into some orphanage. They could have invest this money in some.
So
Okay, okay,
That's
okay.
what-
Let's
choice.
No, that's
okay,
what-
okay. What I will say is, you see, you both are different individuals,
Yeah.
and you have different viewpoints, and it's so normal to have different views, right? And that's maturity to accept
Yeah.
different views, right? Views won't be matching. So fine,
And no, one more.
one
point.
more point. Okay.
And as madam said that in your marriage what you will do, so definitely I won't means go with the tradition, like invite 500 or hundreds of people. I will do a court marriage and I will call only my friends. So whoever will be happy, they will be happy. Whoever will be upset, they will be upset. I don't have to do with anything. I
Okay.
will do in my way.
Right. Everybody does that.
Yeah.
Like personal choice. Some they want to go for a court marriage. Some they just invite their just home people, close relatives, stuff like that. Some don't even invite. You know, that also happens. And some invite loads of people. So I think it's a personal choice. Whatever you want, you can do. So that's okay. Peace, peace, peace. And with this, we are wrapping it up.